She was once a character, now she is the creator. They told her how to write, they told her what to write, they even told her how to feel. For centuries, literature spoke about women, but rarely did women speak for themselves. Men described her beauty, men defined her virtue, men narrated her tragedy. And then one question changed everything. What if women are not characters but creators? This is where Ellen Showalter steps in, not with anger, not with rebellion alone, but with a shift. In her essay towards a feminist poetics, she says, stop asking how men portray women, start asking how do women write? What is the history of women's writing? Is there a female literary tradition? And that shift is called gynocriticism. Gynocriticism is not about attacking male authors, it is about discovering forgotten women writers. It is about studying women as producers of meaning. It is about building a space where women define themselves. Showalter later expands this in A Literature of Their Own. She traces three powerful phases: feminine phase, feminist phase, and female phase. First is the feminine phase. Women imitated men. Some even hid behind male names like George Eliot. Then, the feminist phase. Women protested. They challenged patriarchy openly. And finally, the female phase. No imitation, no apology, just exploration of female identity. This is the heart of gynocriticism. It studies women's body, language, psychology, and culture. It asks, is there something distinct in women's writing? Not biologically fixed, but socially shaped? Before this, feminist criticism asked, how do women represent themselves? That difference is revolutionary because when a woman writes her story, she is no longer a symbol. She becomes a subject. And that is not just literary theory, that is literary freedom. So remember, feminism questioned the system. Gynocriticism built an archive. And every time you read a women writer today, you are reading a voice that refused to stay silent. That is the legacy of gynocriticism. Thank you.